Welcome to One Simple Thing. My name is Cindy A. Lewis. Lit my candle to bring some calm to the room, and we're talking about one simple thing today. So today's one simple thing is about stretching the elements of your kit, about using one piece instead of just one way, using it multiple ways, or resizing or reprinting it where you can give it multiple uses. So I wanted to show you on one of my pages for my journal. I have this beautiful page. It's a background page, right? And so if you sewed it in, you'd probably fold it in half, and then you would cut it out, and accent it as a main piece in here. Just for instance, like this piece, right? But I want to give you some ideas. What if I didn't do that with this kit, this page? What if I resized it? Or what if I cut it down and used pieces of it to make multiple elements? So let's try that. So I'm just going to cut along this window here. So then we've got one piece there. And let's cut along this side. Now this is out of my 25 days of Christmas Wonder. All right, so then we have this beautiful piece. That would be a great background piece, wouldn't it? But what if we cut along these panes and made journaling cards out of this page? They all look similar. We could cut down that white part off, and then we'd have 4 journaling cards, or ATC cards. And what if you wanted to trade your ATC cards with someone? That's what they are, artist trading cards, right? So what if I took these 4 and I used my shimmer water paints and I traded them with someone for their journal? So then I have not only these 4 pieces for artist trading cards. Now, they may not be the exact size, but we're going to go with it for today. And then here I have a really beautiful piece here that could be a bookmark, or it could be a tag. So we're just going to trim it up a little bit. I'm going to trim this side. This would make a nice tall bookmark, right? And then this one, I could cut it into 2. Let's say cut it into 4-inch tags. So then we have 2. One's a little bit longer than the other. And just use my tag punch on this one. We're just going to slide that in. And now we have a nice little tag here. We're going to do the same thing with this one. And then we have made 2 tags. 2 tags right here that we can accent. Then we have our journaling cards, which they're not really artist trading cards because they're not the exact size, but they're good journaling cards, right? And then you have a nice bookmark that you could use for a tall pocket. So if I took my watercolor paints, my shimmer ones, and accented these, I'd trade them with somebody. Do you know anybody that'd want to trade them? So anyway, that's an idea. I don't want to take too much time, but you don't always need more supplies. Just get more mileage out of the ones that you do have. Look at a sheet a little bit differently, or look at your pages a little bit differently. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this one simple thing, and you'll come back tomorrow. Thanks so much for watching.